Thank you, Ola, and hello, everyone. Ola, you are absolutely right. Our next car will definitely extend that last chart on the fun part. And as we talk about extreme driving and extreme fun, it's quite likely that the guys from AMG in Affalterbach are involved. Coinciding with their 50th birthday last year, they also broke their all-time sales record. For the first time ever, they handed over more than 130,000 performance cars in a one-year period. That also means Mercedes-AMG has been last year's best-selling performance brand within its relevant competitors. As they say, strong competition brings about the strongest results. And we do have strong competition, including our friends in Zuffenhausen. The race is on, not just about the fastest lap time. Great results at AMG certainly contributed to make Mercedes once again the best-selling premium brand on the planet in 2017. But what strikes me even more is that we remain on our steady upward journey. As Britta just mentioned, we continue to do well in 2018. Last February was the best-selling February in the history of Mercedes-Benz. Plus, it's been our 60th record sales month in a row. That means our sales numbers have been going up for 5 years straight. More and more customers all over the world choose a Mercedes-Benz to cater to their individual mobility needs. And a growing number of them, those who in particular appreciate performance, sound and sportiness, pick an AMG model. So the AMG strategy pays off, because AMG strategically drives in two parallel lanes, and in both at high speeds, of course. One lane builds on the extensive Mercedes product range by adding the AMG touch, feel, and, well, let's call it some extra muscle. The result is stunning high-performance cars like the all-new Mercedes G63 that you met earlier. Today, our lineup contains of 46 AMG performance models across all segments, starting with our compact performance cars. In the second lane, however, are the full-fledged, homegrown Mercedes-AMG sports cars initiated back in 2009 by the Mercedes SLS. Following the SLS has been a growing family of high-performance Mercedes-AMG GT models. Today, the full portfolio includes 8 native Mercedes-AMG models. There's no doubt these roadsters and coupes deliver big on the fun-to-drive side, both on the racetrack and on the road. GT drivers certainly know what I'm talking about. I can tell it's always good to have some real racing enthusiasts in your company. And we have more than anyone else. Our folks at AMG also have excellent connections to our Formula One and motorsports teams. The Mercedes-AMG Project One we introduced last year in Frankfurt is just one example that impressively shows all of these people really know what they are doing, and they share their knowledge. There's no doubt driving an AMG GT sure is an outstanding experience. Yet, there's always been one major dilemma. Those who wanted 100% of Affalterbach could only bring 50% of the family, or less. It's been a conflict. We love performance, and we love family. I mean, Tobias Mörs, a natural-born car guy, also has 2 kids. And today is the day to end this battle. We took our successful AMG GT racer and added a second row of seats. In fact, you can now welcome an additional 2, or if you want, even 3 passengers in the back. So, for future road trips, the rear seat entertainment might come from Netflix. And the front seat entertainment comes from a powerful AMG engine like the V8 featuring up to 639 horsepower. Following the Mercedes-AMG Project One, this car will also become the second ever AMG model with a plug-in hybrid engine. Above all, this is a family car, but it's not only here to be nice. This is for performance-driven moms and dads. Therefore, we didn't just take the easy way out by adding some extra steel and carbon fiber. The specifications for the engineers clearly stated, we need some real Lewis Hamilton feel. One single detail says a lot. You get that touch of motorsport on the inside just by having a look at the all-new steering wheel combined with the new optional AMG display buttons. Just like Formula One drivers, this unit now allows you to fully focus on the road and still be in full control of all performance measures most relevant to the individual driver. Apart from world champion details like this, we preserved the coolness of the AMG GT's jet fighter-like cockpit. And we invented a whole new interior design from there. This also means we added a lot more high-tech. There are enough cars out there that are a moving compromise. This one certainly is not. There's plenty of space in the back, there's plenty of performance in the front. You quite literally have to see and feel it to get the full picture. And if you watch closely now, you'll find out that this car helps to win more than one battle. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the new Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door.